From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's getting a little toasty out there, especially for the first week of March. Temperature today hitting 86 degrees, making it the warmest day so far on the calendar year. You know we're going to beat that. But on top of mid-80s, our heat index was approaching 90 this afternoon when it was 85, 86 degrees. So getting close to a summer feel, definitely too soon. And notice just 2 degrees shy of a record, and the normals should be 70 and 52. And we haven't seen that since sometime in January, the way it seems. So let's get to it. First off, we'll get to the pollen count right here and show you what's been going on with that. We know tree pollen's off the charts, oak, ash, pine, juniper, everything that's going on out there. Grass pollen coming on, though, moderate this week, moderately high, so that's a change. Weed pollen's been up and down from low to moderate, and mold has been up and down as well. But again, with the moisture we have at night, that feeds the mold. The weed and the grass pollen will sit on the ground, and the tree pollen also tends to settle down with the humidity out there. But as soon as it warms up, heats up, and dries up, that pollen is flying in the air. And I saw kind of a cloud in my backyard today. It was hazy with pollen, and this was kind of wild. Kimberly Menard up in Carencro shot this right by the I-49 interchange at Gloria Switch Road. Now you can see right down here, looks like you can see that swirly thing, and then you can see it above the interstate as well. But this is generally, we'd call this a dust devil, but this time of year, we not only have dust, but we have plenty of pollen, so maybe a little bit of a pollen devil as well. Thought it was pretty interesting. You want to take a closer look at it, you can go to my social media pages, posted them there. So here's the big picture across the U.S. It's quiet in the southeast. It's still winter in the west, in the north, and the northeast, and the west taking another beating, another 2 to 3 feet of snow expected in the next 36 hours across portions of the Sierra Nevada with this area of low pressure. That's funneling in moisture across much of the Pac Northwest down through at least central California. And there's more where that came from, an atmospheric river setting up for California later this week. So more precipitation out there. Meanwhile, locally here, it's been quiet. We have clouds moving in at cloud deck at about 600 to 800 feet. And in between, you can see that full worm moon out there as well. But the clouds are going to win out later on tonight. The possibility of some fog mixed in as well as that cloud deck lowers down on us through tomorrow morning. Weather Service not issuing a fog advisory yet, but if they do so, it would be for southeast Texas, southwest Louisiana, kind of like what we saw last night. So if you're traveling westbound first thing in the morning, keep that in mind. After the morning, fog and clouds, they burn off. We go to partly to mostly sunny skies or a sun and cloud mix. Maybe a shower or two out there, but a rain chance or chance of getting wet 20% or less. Then we do it all over again going into tomorrow evening, and then by the afternoon, a mixture of clouds and sun, and we could copy and paste Wednesday going into Thursday as well. Here's the fog situation per the latest graph model indicating thickest fog near the coast and then back towards southeast Texas. So we'll watch that factor, but we could see some fog in the area. But whatever is out there, it'll burn off quickly tomorrow, only to try to come back in again tomorrow night. So lower 70s overnight tonight, and then into tomorrow, we'll see readings in the low to mid 80s. We'll go 84 for the high. That heat index up to about 86 to about 88 tomorrow afternoon. Then upper 60s to near 70 for Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday afternoon back into the 80s. So very warm weather for this time of year, and back to a tropical feel with the humidity out there and that full worm moon out there. It would look pretty bright, but again, also dulled by some of the haze and pollen that's in the air. And then tomorrow, warm and humid day, sun and cloud mix, and a stray shower possible, but not likely. 84 the projected high. And as we move forward into the 10-day forecast, we'll see temperatures mid-80s, rain chances little to none, and staying warmer than normal even after this front. Hopefully the second front we get on Monday should deliver slightly cooler air, and this looks to be our best chance of rain coming in on Friday, but it's not looking as robust as it did earlier. Well, going back to last week, we thought we'd have showers and storms. We might see a storm, but not much cooling from that front. Secondary one comes in as we head into the latter part of Sunday, and then clearing skies as we go into early next week. So overall, very warm, staying very warm, even behind front number 1, but door number 2, front number 2 could be a little bit cooler going into next week. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.